Hello everyone, welcome to another browngordon.com video. Today we're going to go over incident reports. So we're going to go to browngordon.com, type it into your favorite browser, go to sign up/login. If you're not registered, please register. Go to login. After you register, type in your information. Then once we get to your profile page, you'll go to management tool, and inside of management tool we're going to select incident report. And before we get into the report, I would like to point out that you can fill out this report in any language you want. For instance, say you want to do it in Bengali, you just go down to the bottom of the screen, go to the Google Translate tool, select the button, and then select Bengali. I don't speak Bengali, so I'm going to put it in English. Oh, also, if you were to, whatever language you select is not the language that the PDF is going to be generated into, but you get to review the document in that language. All right. So this is a very long form, and usually what I do is I'll jump through it and select some items, and then I'll press the submit button so you can see what happens. But in this case, what I'm going to do is just simply go through what the form covers. It's a very comprehensive form, and it is something that will definitely help if you ever had any legal battles in regards to an incident on your job site. So let's just get right into it. So there's multiple sections, and the first section is for the person who was injured. And it asks for very important information that you want to have: the name of the injured person, incident type, such as injury, illness, or near misses, the date of the report, the form you're filling out, the date of the incident, time of the incident, job title of the injured person, the employer name for the injured person, the supervisor name for who's overseeing the injured person, employee status, is he or she a full-time, part-time, seasonal, or temporary employee, how long he/she has been employed by the company, etc., etc. It covers everything you need to know about an injured person, so that that person doesn't walk off the site without you getting a full write-up on who that person is. Especially if you have a large job site with a lot of laborers and subcontractors and trades on site, you want to make sure you get all the information you can, because you don't want a lawsuit sneaking up on you out of nowhere. And secondly, there's another section is the incident description, right? And this description, in this section, you're going to go over all of the things that apply to the accident that occurred. Exact location on site where the incident occurred. Has the location been secured in case it was, something damaged the safety measures in that incident, in that area? Did the incident involve any equipment? Has the equipment been secured? Types of equipment, make, model, serial number of equipment. Was PPE provided? Who provided PPE? Again, is very comprehensive. What kind of injury? Name the type of injury that it is. Is it an abrasion, scrape, amputation, broken bones? Right? You got a full list here of injury types. And then, of course, the most important part is the description of the injury. Right? You want to be able to describe what kind of injury occurred, and provide a description of how the incident occurred, describe the task being performed by the injured party when they claim to have been injured, and so on and so forth. Right? You want to give a very precise description. Again, this is a form. Hopefully there is no incident on your site, but if there is an incident and the person does decide to sue, this will protect you in the court of law. And of course, another section, emergency services. Was emergency services called? If so, which precinct, if any? which hospital, if any, which fire department, if any, did the person who was injured were sent to, where can you get an injury report, such and such. Preparer's information, whoever is preparing the form, you want to give their information. And once you fill out the form completely, you press the submit button. I don't think if I press the submit button, anything will happen. But if you press the submit button, you'll get the a PDF document will generate, and you can do with that document whatever you want. You can email it, print it, etc., etc. And again, of course, along with everything else here on browngordon.com, it's totally free for your use. Tell your friends about it. Tell your family about it. Tell anyone you know that's in construction about it. And thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you again. I hope you guys continue to use our products. Thank you.